Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Good afternoon, madam.
So, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay. So, let us start this session. And before starting this session, this is day 19 and session 18. And we are having our esteemed guest speaker, Dr. Narendra Kumar Chauhan. And he will going to deliver a very important lecture on referencing style, which is the utmost need of all the researcher. And we damn need how to write the references. That is where.
देखना मैम फेस ठीक है क्या मेरा? ठीक आ रहा है फेस अब?
हाँ जी अब ठीक है सर. हाँ जी अब ठीक है.
इसमें लाइट है पीछे से. ठीक रहा है. फिर भी ब्लैक
है. Yes, now it is okay.
So thank you very much, ma'am, for a nice introduction, for nice words. This is my 6th lecture in the particular program. So I am really thankful to you that given me the opportunity for this, because whatever topic you have decided to deliver in this program, that is really very relevant as well as very significant as of now, because in the initial stage of the doctorate program, every scholar they must need to know that about the latest one, that is open access initiative, as well as copyright issues also, and self-archiving policies also, and indexing and citation databases also, and research metrics also. I have seen your complaint and your calendar that you have mentioned so many topics which are really very, very important, very significant. Every scholar, they need to know it, so that in the coming time, the time is very crucial, very critical for us. Reason being that technology is being advanced day by day, and very sharpened tools we have in our hands, and we
Narendra
have.
Sir, your voice is little bit breaking while speaking.
Okay,
little
so
bit, not completely, little bit.
Okay, I have to join again. Just wait, leave it.
No issue. Till then, I can address the audience that we are having esteemed guest speaker, Dr. Narendra Kumar Chauhan. He is associate professor from Guru Jambeshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar, and sir is the coordinator of research and publication ethics, the paper mandated by UGC, and sir is also engaged with several programs like MOOC, etc. So sir has joined again, and he is going to deliver very important lecture, which I think every scholar must be aware how to write the references. So I have made you co-host, sir. Now you can proceed.
Yes, thank you very much for making me the co-host of this online meeting. So we have to know that, so that we may increase the visibility of research for different means, and we can get the fundings from the funding agencies like our universities also, and we can help to increase the H index of a concerned university also, so that we may get better ranking among the academic institutions, not only in India, even at global level also. So this is the best way. Only citations play a wonderful and significant role for getting the better ranking, and all the citations are dependent on the quality research. And for doing the quality research, we have to follow all the ethics, and we have to publish a very qualitative research in the market, so that we may get maximum citation. And today I will discuss with you the very important topic, that is referencing style. Referencing and bibliography, easily we use two words for this purpose. So let's see, there are two words. One is reference and second is bibliography. So I request to all of you, please mention in the chat box what is the difference between two. Please mention in chat box what is the difference between references and bibliography, so that I may go accordingly, and I may deliver my talk accordingly. So please mention in chat box what is the difference between two terms. Please mention. Whosoever, anyone can. जो कोई भी चाहे लिख सकता है वो मेंशन कर सकता है. I am just going to share my screen with you people. That is visible to all of you. Visible? My screen is visible. Okay,
yes, sir, it is visible.
Have you mentioned in the chat box? Nobody mentioned. Okay. So I will tell you that what is the meaning of the reference and what is the difference between reference and bibliography. Reference means whatever you will cite in your research, that will come under the references. Whatever you will cite and whatever you will consult during your research activities, that will come under the bibliography. You have to mention the name of the particular source in your bibliography. Whatever you will consult only, you will take an idea over there. You have to mention the name of the original source into your bibliography, or whatever you will cite in your research, you have to mention the name of the source in references. That is the difference between reference and bibliography. Madam, I think now my voice is clear.
Yes, it is clear, little bit echoing.
Now see referencing style, and you will be so surprised.
Your voice is clear, but it is echoing, sir. Echoing.
Echoing.
Yes, sir.
Why it is echoing? I think I don't know.
You can open a window so that the voice will not be.
So open. Actually, my office is AC. So let me try that. I have to open one of the window. Please wait.
So, dear participants, Dr. Narendra Kumar Chauhan, he is going to deliver a hands-on session how to write references in different styles, just like Chicago style, like APA style. There are several different types of styles in which we have to mention our text citation. And sir has asked what is the difference between bibliography and references. So kindly write in the chat box if you are aware that what is the basic difference between bibliography and references. It is the basic question which each and every research scholar will have to face while or during.
Thanks, ma'am. Madhvi ji, you wrote a reference list includes sources and bibliography includes sources that were cited. No, ma'am. Reference means that were cited in your research, that will come under the reference, and whatever you consult, that will come under the bibliography. That is the difference. Clear? So okay. So what is the objectives to I was saying that more than 10,000 referencing styles are available in the market. Hardly we know 2 to 3 or 2 maximum 4 or 5. Means APA, ALA, Chicago, MLA. We know only. Otherwise, for different disciplines, we have the different style of the referencing. Suppose about medicals, we have different kind, and for law, we have different kind of the referencing style, and for English, we have the MLA, Modern Language Association. So for every discipline, we have the different kind of the citation styles, so that we may bring the uniformity when we write and when we mention, when we prepare even our referencing list. So suppose for you know that for medicine, Vancouver we use, and for law, Oscola we use, and for engineering, IEEE is very much famous, and for medicine again, AMA style is there. I'm just giving a broad review to you so that you understand that what kind of the citations we have in the citation styles we have in the market. And for chemistry, ACS is there, and for again medicine, NLM is there, and anthropology and social studies AAA, and APSC for political science. Now see further, and for humanities, MLA you can use language. For language you can use MLA, and APA for psychology, education, social sciences, arts, and again humanities, history for and humanities, Chicago, and Chicago A or Chicago B. We have two kinds of further. Further we have a division in the Chicago A for history and humanities, Chicago B, sciences, social sciences, and humanities again, and Harvard for economics. So these are the different kinds of the referencing styles with us. So generally we use APA. Maximum, most of the publications house they prefer to mention the list of references in APA style. But for different disciplines, we have different kinds of. Now see, uh, what are the objectives to study today? I will give the live demo to you, how you will download the Mendeley and how you will create a bibliography over there, and for proper formatting and for proper referencing style, how you will use the Mendeley. So I will give the live demo to you. First of all, I will download the same, and thereafter we will tell you that how you will incorporate your reference into the Mendeley, because Mendeley is very useful and very user-friendly tool for creating the referencing style in different ways. In different styles, you can say that whatever you will say, once you have to manage into the Mendeley platform and or onto the Mendeley platform, both we have into and both onto. So thereafter, on a single click, whatever style you require, you just select the same and give the command. It is hardly a matter of 1 minute, 30 seconds, not more than 30 seconds, provided you have to manage and you have to mention the name of the particular source into the Mendeley. Clear? Thereafter, whatever you want, that will help you. Okay. One is to study different styles of referencing used. Number two, to get the appropriate format or reference for presenting. Referencing is very important. Just see, sometimes we send our manuscripts for publication, and sometimes we get the desk rejection. That is only the reason our referencings are not proper over there. So for avoiding the desk rejection, we have to be very much careful about the referencing system. We have to manage, we have to do the proper text citation over there, and accordingly, whatever we are given in the text, the same reference must be in your referencing list. Otherwise, sometimes what happened? The text citation you have given, but the source is not available in your referencing. So that is the fact when our paper or manuscripts rejects in the you can say that text rejection. So we have to be very much careful regarding our referencing. Now, third one is to know the difference between different style used, to spot all significant statements, to know the origin of the word. That is very important. Fourth one, to spot all significant statement. Whenever you will write a qualitative manuscripts and you will try to publish the same in Scopus listed as well as Web of Science or other top post indexing platforms, you have to be very much careful over there. Whatever you are just mentioning over there, suppose your result say that like this. So you have to support your results with different studies, and you have to mention the original source in the name in the form of text citation over there, and full citation you have to give into the references. Thereafter, it will be complete. So you have to spot your significant statements with different studies results clearly, and to know the origin of the work. So this is the way. Now see further. These are the objective. One message. Now see, this is a referencing style is a specific format for presenting in text references, footnotes or endnotes and bibliography. I already discussed with you. It is an act of referring. It means you are referring. So it is your duty, if you are taking anything over there from any source of information, you have to cite in your research. Reason being that when you will give the respect to another one, so when another one will take any material from your study, definitely they will also mention your name in their references or bibliography. They will also respect your work. So it is a give and take. It is a give and take practice. If you are giving the respect, definitely you will also get the respect from the another one. If you will not give the respect to the original author, or if you are taking any material, definitely you will get the same. It's a nature. Whatever you will do, same you will get. So you have to be very much careful. in this process. Reference, the action of mentioning or alluding to something, the use of a source of information in order to ascertain something. Now see, need of reference. What's the need? To reference proves that substantial research has been done to support your analysis. I already told you कि जो आपने रिसर्च की है उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए you have to give the reference of another one research which are being done in the particular field and which are already conducted in the particular field. Clear? Enables others to follow up on our work. Again, that is very important. Give credit to other people's work. Avoids charges of plagiarism. Again, I discuss with you about the plagiarism in detail. Required to support all significant statements used to indicate the origin of material and source for research and further reading. One thing always remember, अगर आपका पेपर फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस के अंदर रिजेक्ट हो रहा ना, उसका सबसे बड़ा मेन रीजन आपका रेफरेंस है. ये मैं बता देता हूँ. रेफरेंसिंग देखता सबसे पहले वो आपका एब्स्ट्रैक्ट देखेगा और आपका रेफरेंसिंग देखेगा. अगर वो प्रॉपर है तो आपका रिव्यू में जा सकता है पेपर अच्छे जनरल के. एटलीस्ट this rejection you will not get. Types of references: journal reference, book reference, and internet reference. When you are writing the manuscripts, then you definitely you will publish in the journal. So you have to follow the referencing style according to the publication house, whatever they are demanding. And likewise, book reference, when you will write any book or the book chapter, then different styles are available. And internet references, it means if you are taking any material from the web, how you will cite the same again, that will come under the internet reference. Clearly, so these are the types of referencing. And conference proceedings are also there. Reference elements: author's name, article title, journal name, year, volume, issues, and page number. These are the elements or component of any reference. Definitely author's name over there. One author, maybe sometime one author, maybe more than one author. Article title we have to mention. Now, different style of writing references. Third style of referencing, and very significant part of this. Okay, one thing you just make a practice. When you will write your manuscripts and you complete the same with always, means everything you formatting you have done, referencing you have done, bibliography you have done, and when you will see the same to your teacher, and teacher says to you that you please change the reference file of your paper, and you have used and you have mentioned over there more than 20 referencing, then it will be, you can say that very tedious job for you just to change the style. वो आपके लिए बहुत tedious job हो जाएगा, एक studious job हो जाएगा उसके लिए आप करना. That is a time consuming process. And how you write the same. But by using the Mendeley, it is hardly a matter of 30 seconds. You have to give the command, choose the style, and give the command if you managed already over there. So changing the reference style is really very tedious and studious job for a scholar. That will ease your mind. That will disturb your mind. Not so easy to change the referencing style. So you have to do the smart work. You have to play with the Mendeley. I will tell you that I will download the same, and I will tell you that how you will use the Mendeley. That is very user friendly. Once you download it, they are very easy to use. And Vancouver style is their MLA citation style, modern language association, and Chicago manual of style. These are the references. Maybe others also, but these are very popular. Third was style of referencing: author name followed by its initials, year of publications, article title with single quotation mark followed by full stop. Thus, there is example over there. Name of journal in italic form. Yes, that is also important. Volume followed by a comma. Issue number in bracket. Page number. This is the hardware style. Just see. I have taken an example over there with the combination of all these components. Then first you have to write the name of the author first, then second, and if it is third one, then you have to use the word A and D, and not a percent like small and. So you have to A and D, Kim, comma, K, then year. So that is the hardware style. Thereafter, the title of that, and name of the particular source where you have published it. That would be in italic, and thereafter followed by that is volume, and that is issue number, and then page number. That is the order style. Clear? And when you will write, suppose you want to change it manually, if you will do it, that is a time consuming process. Again, that will use your mind. But if you will do the same with the Mendeley, definitely that will be very just one. Now see further. Vancouver. If you are a law student, then sorry, law नहीं है. Vancouver किसके लिए है? मैंने बताया तो भी बताइए प्लीज. Vancouver बताइए किसके लिए है? लिखिए प्लीज उसमें क्या नाम है उसमें.
Please write in the chat box. Vancouver style is used for which stream?
इसमें बताया था मैंने. Vancouver मैंने किसके लिए बताया था? प्लीज दोबारा रिपीट करना. वो एक लिखे. अच्छा लिख दिया. अभी देखो, जस्ट वेट ताकि याद रहे. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाँ, साइंसिस के लिए कितने लोग मानते हैं साइंसिस के लिए बता रहे हैं? मेडिसिन के लिए है. क्लियर? हाँ, साइंस मेडिसिन के लिए इसमें कर देंगे. Now see, this is the Vancouver style. So how you will write the same? These are the components, and this is the example of the Vancouver style. So just see that how you will prepare it. Different kinds and different styles we have. Now see, title of the journal abbreviated. So just see this example. This is the example of the Vancouver style. Now see, this is MLA modern Modern Language Association. Again, this is the example I have given over there. Author's name, title, article, name of journal, volume, followed by decimal and issue. Different pattern. They every every reference file uses the different pattern or mention the components are same, but how you will write the same, that is the different way of every you can say every referencing. So that we may bring the uniformity. Suppose we are using the MLA citations. It means all our citations, all our references would be in ML in a uniformity. Otherwise, what would happen? Sometime we will write in the MLA, sometime in the same we will write in the APA style. So that will be haphazard and that will confuse the academic community and the research community if they are taking any material from your source if they want to cite your research. Clearly, that will create a confusion for the end users. Now see, this is MLA, this is American, that is very popular. American Psychological Association, AP. Clear? And this is the example. These are the components are little bit. Components are same, not little bit. Components are same, but how to write, that is the difference. So this is about the APA style. Clear? Now see further Chicago manual. Again, the components are same, and here they have mentioned the DOI also. Clear? So this is the way to write this reference in Chicago manual style. Now see further difference between reference list and bibliography. I already asked you that reference means whatever you will cite in your research, that will come under the reference list, and whatever you will consult, that will come under the bibliography. So you have to prepare both. That will save your skill score. Sometimes we take the information from any source and we forgot to mention the same. Then if you will mention the same in bibliography, it means it will show that your intention was not malified. You have mentioned the name in bibliography at least. So it will save your skill when anyone makes the complaint against you under the plagiarism. If you mention the bibliography instead of the reference list clearly, तो आपको बचा सकता है ये. That will save your skill. Okay. Now further, this is the references. ये references देखिए ऐसे भी स्टाइल हो सकता है. ये AP में ये आगे था, इसमें सबसे पीछे है. So thank you very much. This is the theoretical portion of this. Clear? If you have any query, any question about the referencing, and just wait. Volume is full from my side, Madhvi ji. Volume is full from my side. So maybe some problem with the net connection. So this is about the theoretical portion of referencing and bibliography. So if you have any question, any query, regarding the same, then you please ask and you can mention the chat box. I will reply to you. Otherwise, I will give the live demo to you about how you will download the same and how you will use the Mendeley. You please. Any query?
Participants, if do you have any query, you can ask, sir.
Madhviji, thank you very much. You have mentioned nice explanation, sir. Thank you. Nice. So this is the theoretical portion of this session. Now,
sir, one thing I want to know on the behalf of students, while they are compiling their bibliography and they are writing the DOI, then the justification of the lines that get disturbed.
Please repeat the last.
Justification of the lines get disturbed. For example, if we are referencing or writing the bibliography for a particular author or a particular citation, then what happened? 4 lines we are writing and DOI we are writing, then it get disturbed.
Okay, it get lot of alignment. It disturbs the alignment of the particular.
Yes. Justification.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
It's a matter of formatting. You have to format properly. When it does like that, then what you have to do in the last, you have to place your cursor and then press the enter. It will be okay.
Still, it is showing the gaps.
Again, it is showing the gap.
When we have to remove HTTP.
Okay.
After removing HTTP, then it will show the alignment. Okay.
HTTP you can easily remove, no issue, ma'am. If it is, if after removing the same, it is giving the proper formatting, then there is no issue. We can easily remove the same.
Okay. Thank you.
It's a matter of formatting. You can take the help of your colleague, of your friend, and of your you can say that computer based section.
Alignment, I am good with computer.
Okay, if you are familiar, if you are techno savvy, then you can do it properly, ma'am. No issue.
Thank you, sir.
It's a matter of formatting.
So we will proceed on the session.
We will proceed with our live demo. Now see. Okay, again I am sharing my screen with you. Google, where is the Google? I am to open it. Just wait. I'm going to share my screen with you. That like Google. Again, Google. I think visible to all of you?
Yes,
visible?
Sir.
Okay, then what you have to mention over there in the Google search engine, what you have to mention? Mendeley, M-A-N-D-E-L-A-Y, Mendeley. M-A-N. Yeah. This one, Mendeley desktop. Mendeley desktop. And here is getting started with Mendeley desktop. Okay, now click on it. And getting started with the Mendeley desktop. So what you have to now see, Mendeley, your research with Mendeley. Clear? Yeah. Manage your research with Mendeley. Download now. Clear? Mendeley. Here is the download word button. Now click on it and download now for Windows. Downloading process may be a little bit confusing. So be careful when you are doing the same. Just note down the steps, what I am doing over there, so that when you will try to download it, you may download properly. Only you have to take the pain just downloading it. Thereafter, it is very user friendly. That is very easy to use it, and that will give a great help to you for managing your references. And reference is really very significant part of your research. And in a single command, within 30 seconds, if you want to change the pattern of your referencing style according to the demand of the publication house, suppose you write manuscripts and you send to any publication house for publishing it. Suppose you may get the rejection over there and you want to send to another one. Then definitely you have to change the reference. Suppose if they are demanding the same pattern, then there is no issue. If they are demanding a different pattern, then you have to change it manually. If you will do it, it will create a problem that will eat your mind, and that definitely it is a very tedious and stressful for you. So you have to manage your references when you are writing your manuscript. You have to manage through Mendeley. So you please note down or be careful. You can make a video. Whatever I am doing on my behalf, you have to just note down it so that you may download easily. So again, download now for Windows. Click on it. It is downloading over there. Just wait. It is downloading here. You can see, and right upper right extreme here you can see downloading. It is.
Please repeat the steps from start.
Simply, I used Google and mentioned over there Mendeley, and thereafter I got getting Mendeley. Then I clicked on the same, and thereafter I got downloads Mendeley. Then I downloaded. Thereafter this screen I got here download now for Windows. For Apple, if you are using the Apple, then there is a mention of they have mentioned over there Mendeley Reference Manager for Mac OS. That is for Apple. Mendeley Reference Manager for Linux. If you are using the open source Linux operating system, then you have to use this version. And for Apple, this is this one. Clear? दिख रहा है जहां मेरा कर्सर दिख रहा है आपको? Hello, are you able to show my cursor?
Yes, yes.
Yes. For Apple this, and for Linux this, and for Windows this. Clear? And it is downloaded. Now I have to click on it. Otherwise, in downloads you can check over there and open it. Open file. Here is the open. And install is there only for me HP. I will go with this option, install. Click on install. It is taking time. It is downloading. Just wait. It is installing. You will get a message over there. Please wait while Mendeley Reference Manager is being installed. So while you are doing the same, you have to wait, and when it is completed, then what you have to finish it. There is option. Everything is available on your screen. You have to follow. Simply finish. Again, it. Okay, it is taking time. Your connection is unstable. I think from my side, internet connections are very much poor. Okay. Now see, that is very important. You again when it will be completed, then you will get this pop-up. Like email and password you have to mention. You have to create your own password. I have created my own. Otherwise, if I do not know what is my password, then I have to forward password. Otherwise, what would happen? I have mentioned. Just wait. Just wait. This is my password. Then I have to sign. Otherwise, you have to create your own password. That is very easy process. Mention our email, then create your password and sign in. It's a Elsewhere product. Very easy to use. Again, now see, skip to main content. Okay, so I have to, I have been already added some, then I delete it. Okay, now you will get like that. See here, ऐसे आपको ये मिल जाएगा। क्लियर दिख रहा है? ऐसे आपको ये मिल जाएगा, ये रेफरेंस स्टाइल आपके।
Sir, your slides are not moving. Screen is not moving.
Slides are not moving. That is important.
It is stuck at the first
Just
slide
wait,
where you
ma'am.
have
Just
started the menu.
where I have started. अब दिख रहा है मैडम?
Yes,
Stop
sir.
से। अब मैं दोबारा कर रहा हूँ उसको। Just wait. अब दिख रहा है मैम? My screen is
Yes,
visible
sir.
to all of you or not? Okay. Now see, tools. Here is the option tools. This is the Mendeley interface. This is the Mendeley web page. You can say that. And here is the okay. Now see here Mendeley reference manager file, edit, tools and help. ये दिख रहा है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to click on tools. अब ये देखिए, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पर। Install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. Yes, ये ऑप्शन। Install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. Click on it. When you clicked on it, you will get this. Now see, get it now. There is an option, get it now, Mendeley site, so that it may synchronize with your Word, MS Word. Now get it now. And this is mine. I have changed. That will ask for some particulars from you. Then you have to mention. This is mandatory. You have to mention where you belong, which country you belong. Then you have to mention India. I am from India.
It is still stuck, sir.
Sorry, ma'am.
It is still at the same page where you have click on the tools and go to MS Word. The screen is not moving.
Okay, the screen is not moving. Clear like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my screen is not moving. Then okay, just wait. अब यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको? अभी ये दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ क्या मेडले साइट दिख रहा है? मेडले साइट ये दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, get it now. Here is the option, get it now, and you have to click on it. Now see, visible? ये दिख रहा
Yes,
है
sir.
हैं?
It is showing the author's name, author's year, title. Only that page.
अब ये मेडले साइट दिख रहा है आपको? ये लग रहा है, लिखा है रेड से कलर में, ये दिखा है, ये दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Now see.
Participants, if you are able to see, then kindly write in the chat box if it is the screen is moving.
Sir,
No.
file is not
Okay.
not
Then it is the problem. Yes, it is common problem.
It's a common problem. So again, just wait, ma'am. Stop sharing. I have to rejoin in this meeting. Just wait. I have to leave.
Sir, you are already made co-host.
Yes. Now just see again. I have to share my screen with you people. This is the yes. Up to here we already completed. ठीक यहाँ तक हम जो है complete
Yes.
कर चुके हैं. Now see here too. दिख रहा है सभी को? दिख रहा है मैम?
Yes.
Okay. Now see.
Yes, sir.
Before doing anything with the Mendeley, first of all you have to open these tools. Tools in my left. Where is my cursor? Now install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. So click on it. Mendeley visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now get it now. Clear? Get it now. When you will click on it, now it is visible. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to mention Kumar here. You have to mention your name.
Sir, actually, it is still on that same page that where it is written all references, authors, year and title.
कहाँ पे आ रही है?
Means screen is still stuck there.
एक मिनट मैडम ये बता गेट इट नाउ दिख रहा है आपको? गेट इट नाउ.
Once a minute.
गेट इट नाउ दिख रहा है आपको? ओके.
No.
जो आपके सामने स्क्रीन है उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेजा है मेरे को मोबाइल पे. क्या दिख रहा
Yes,
है?
sir.
मैंने
Yes,
अभी
sir.
आपको व्हाट्सएप किया है सर.
हैं जी?
व्हाट्सएप किया है सर मैंने अभी आपको.
व्हाट्सएप किया. एक मिनट 10 मिनट. ओके. अच्छा उस पे है. वही दिख रहा है, पीछे वाला दिख रहा है. तो ठीक है मैं अभी आप देखना. अभी मैं इस पे वापस जाता हूँ वहीं पे. गो बैक. क्या करें इसमें? ना. अब क्या दिख रहा है मैडम आपको?
Sir, it is the site where written Mendeley site.
मेंडले साइट ये दिख रहा है ना? जब मैंने वहां पे वो क्लिक कर दिया आ गया उसके बाद.
Okay.
क्लियर मैम? मेंडले साइट दिख रहा है
Yes, sir.
ना? गेट इट नाउ दिख रहा है. गेट इट नाउ ये रहा जहां कर्सर घूम रहा है मेरा.
Yes, yes, yes.
क्लिक ऑन इट. अब क्या दिख रहा है?
The application to be filled.
है जी?
The form where applications are required to be filled.
ये ओके. यहाँ पर आपको उस पर्टिकुलर्स फिल करने हैं. ये हो गया कुमार.
Yes.
And this is the job title. These are the mandatory. Just wait, please. Now see, country and region, that is mandatory process. Name, your country region, you have to mention. Others you can skip. Now see, you have to mention India. Where I belong, that is India. That is India. And this is the phone number, then get it now. Taking you to Microsoft 365 to complete this process. It will automatically sign in. You have to mention sign in. Suppose NKC. Then next. When you will create your Microsoft username and password, that will you have to create your Microsoft username and password. If you don't have, then you have, there is a mention that is create one. You can create your own. Clear? So for this, your MS Word must be original one in your computer, in your desktop, in your whatever electronic gadget you are using. That must be the original. That should not be the pirated. Clear? Pirated में ये काम नहीं करेगा. करेगा तो की मांगेगा. की आपके पास नहीं होगी. Clear? अगर आप ये चाहते हैं कि if you want to create one, then your MS Word must be original one, otherwise ये नहीं होगा. Clear? So next. Send code. So I have mentioned my email ID, send code. I will get the code on my email ID. Once you download it, thereafter that is very easy. It is taking time. Check this. It is taking time. I have to resend it. Forward username. Go back again. Send codes. I have to check it. Okay, not getting the code. What happened? Just wait. This is the issue with the same. Otherwise, very user friendly. Then I have to MPC storage in India. Okay, wait, please. It is sending this. Wait. Just wait. It's taking time. कुछ तो आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Just wait. Just wait. There is no space in. Yeah. Gmail. Just wait.
Sir, when one it is signed in, it will show Mendeley site with red color of symbol M and written right down below open in Word.
एक मिनट. Just wait, ma'am. Just wait. क्या करते हैं? किस my inbox is very much full. That's why it is not showing. There is no space. Now see. Just wait. लेकिन आएगा तो मजा नहीं होगा। एक स्टेप रह गया बस, वो उसमें आ ही नहीं रहा, मेरा कोड ही नहीं आ पा रहा है वो। अब इसको एंटर डिफरेंट ईमेल डिफरेंट डालता हूँ, फिर डालता हूँ। Just wait, I am just trying again. Get it now. So this is it. And किसी तरह की okay, open in Word. Open in Word. There is, are you able to see it? Open in Word.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open in Word. And you have to open in Word. Now it is working. Linked it with your Word. So now how you will do is, I will use it. I will tell you. It is opening. Thank you for your patience. My email platform is full with the information. That's why first I deleted some mails over there, some you know that some videos from my drive. Thereafter, I could able just to fetch the code.
So after clicking on open in Word, it will
Open
show
it. You will
another
get it.
open
You will get
open
this.
your Word protocol.
Yes, when you will open in Word, you will get this. Get started. Here, right, get started. Then you have to mention your password again. Sign in. Again, sign in. Okay. Everything you are now. You have to go to Mendeley. Here you have completed all the process. Link with your Microsoft. Now see, you have to go in Mendeley. Now here is the option. File, edit, tools and help. File. When you will click over there, export all.
Still the screen is stuck and it is not moving. It is stuck there, Mendeley and open in Word.
वहीं पे अभी
हाँ जी.
ओके अगेन हमें वो करना पड़ेगा, ये स्टॉप है ना, ये फिर शेयरिंग करना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा, ये ना ये शेयर करना पड़ेगा। अब दिख रहा है? अब दिख रहा है कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Add new. There is an option add new. Clear? There is option add new. Whatever you are, suppose your reference is available, a reference list is available in your computer, then you can import folder from computer. Clear? Import library. Wherever your document is available, suppose import folder from your computer. I have a folder in my computer desktop, and upload. I have 31 papers in it. It is uploading. Directly you can fetch over there. You have to manage over there, and then how you will cite in your paper, I will tell you. So these are the resources you have onto the platform of the Mendeley. Clear? Or one thing is very important here to know, that is, suppose search for article online. Just see this, search for articles online. When you will click on it, suppose the same article is available onto the web, then how you will fetch the same, how you will add the same in your list. That is the way. When you have to click over there, welcome to Mendeley, and you can give your search over there. Suppose you belong to bio and nanotechnology. Clear? Bio and nanotechnology, then search it. So whatever papers are available on bio and technology, you will get over there, and that is again a wonderful platform for getting the quality information, for getting the quality data. So when you will, that is available open access in PDF. Suppose you want to download the same, click on PDF, it will download for you, and you can easily see the status of the particular journal as well as the article. 5 citations they have received on the same, and 6 readers so far. So whatever you want, you have to click on the same, and year-wise you can refine your research. There is a option over there. There is a filter over there. You have to select according to your require whatever you want. Suppose you want the information which is published in year 2023 or 2021, then you have to click on it. And what is the beauty? Beauty is that they have mentioned the number of items against each year. So you can easily see, and you can easily filter your information whatever you want. This is up to you. This is the beauty of the platform. Document type, what you want again further, just see document type. Then you have to select accordingly. Suppose you want conference proceeding only onto the topic bio nanotechnology. It will show only the conference proceedings. Clear? So you can concise your search, and you can go accordingly, and then you can fetch the reference of the particular source, and you can add you in your list. So, and again further, that is again they have given a privilege to you, most recent or most cited. Suppose you want a paper from this list which is highly cited, most cited, then you click on it, most cited. So it will redirect, and that will shuffling your data among the particular you can the list, and you will get on first position the highly cited paper, that is 839 citation with this paper. So you can filter, you can arrange, you can organize, and you can get your information according to your requirement, provided you have to give the command, you have to choose the option which is available onto the particular platform. Clearly? So most recent, suppose you want the most recent publication, then you have to click on most recent. जो अभी हुए हैं, वो अभी हुए हैं, introduction to bio nanotechnology. There is no citation, though 328 readers, but so far there is no citation. Definitely in coming time it will get. It doesn't mean that if it is not cited, it is not a qualitative. It is qualitative. In the coming time it will get citation. And add to library, there is option how you will add. When you will click on it, you can add. When you will click, that will be automatically add into the list onto the platform of the Mendeley. And get full text. How you will get full text? You will click over there, you will get the full text of this paper. Again, this is the way just to increase the visibility of your research in the research market as well as the academic market. Clear? So this is the way if you want to add any source which is available on web. So you have to select accordingly, and platform accordingly give the options to you how you will filter your information and how you will add in your library. There is option that is add to library. Clear? यहाँ तक कोई क्वेश्चन आपके माइंड में? ओके, नाउ सी, एक मेरी लिस्ट तैयार है मेंडले पे, ये रही मेंडले, ये लिस्ट तैयार है मेरी। सपोज कीजिए फर्स्ट नंबर पे ये थी मेरा 2001 है। अब मैं ओपन करता हूं आपके पास वर्ड का डॉक्यूमेंट ओपन करना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पर न्यू कर लेता हूं मैं, न्यू फाइल, फाइल पे जाइए, राइट में देखिए, लेफ्ट में देखिए मेरे न्यू, न्यू वन, नाउ न्यू, मैंने एक न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट ले लिया ब्लैंक। ओके, मैं यहाँ पर लिख देता हूँ this is सपोज कीजिए मेरा ये राइट पे एक पेज को तो मैंने यहाँ रेफरेंस लगाया वन, अपने नॉलेज के लिख दिया वन, और मैंने आगे आगे लिख दी लाइन में कुछ कुछ। क्लियर? मैंने कहा कि मेरा यहाँ पर रेफरेंस वन आना चाहिए। क्लियर? तो मैं कहाँ जाऊंगा? मैं जाऊंगा उस पे अपने मेंडले पे। क्लियर? और मैं इस पे क्लिक कर दूंगा। This is the metadata of this. अगेन तो ये मेरे को प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है, जरा ये घुमाना पड़ रहा है स्क्रीन पे। ये वर्ड मेरा डॉक्यूमेंट है, रेफरेंस में जाएंगे आप, यहाँ पे रहा रेफरेंस, ये रहा रेफरेंस, यहाँ पे रेफरेंस पे क्लिक कीजिए आप और इंसर्ट साइटेशन, ये रहा मेंडले साइट, दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, दिख रहा है? प्लीज टेल मी, confirm me, it is showing to you or not? Mendeley site here is, madam please tell me, please confirm me, it is visible to all of you or not? Hello
Sir, actually it is showing the screen where it is
okay मैं दोबारा कर रहा हूँ उसको, मैं दोबारा ये रहो, now showing,
yes, word is there.
What is there? तो उस वर्ड में मैंने क्या लिखा है, यहाँ पर मैंने ये देख लिया था, आपने लिख रहा था, ये देख लिया मैंने, ये लिख दिया है कुछ भी और आगे लिख दिया वन। क्लियर? कि मेरा जो रेफरेंस लिस्ट में वन है, मेंडले साइट, ये दिख रहा है मेंडले साइट, मेंडले साइट पे क्लिक करेंगे और ये आगे मेरे रेफरेंस जो मेरे उसमें लिस्ट में ऐड थे, ये रहा मेरा वन, ये है। तो जहां पर वन है मैं इसको हटाऊंगा वन को और ये इसको ऐड कर दूंगा साइटेशन में। इंसर्ट वन साइटेशन, वन साइटेशन, ये आ गया। क्लियर? आगे दो करना चाहता हूं इसी में, ये सेकंड मैंने कर दिया।
Will Mendeley club all the citations which are in your computer, or it will
Yes.
automatically take all the from the websites?
देखिए मैम, I have told you that where your referencing list is available, first you have to add on to the platform of the Mendeley. One thing, clear? And secondly, I told you, suppose you want to take the reference from the web. So they have given the mention over, they have given the option, if you want to fetch any reference from the web, you have to click on the same, then the particular platform means Mendeley will direct you where your information is available. You have to mention some variables over there. Suppose you are from BMU, then you have to mention BMU over there. So whatever is available particularly on BMU, definitely it will show you, and there is option add to library. यहाँ तक मुझे लगता है क्लियर है, आपको ये बता दी थी मैंने, क्लियर है ये?
Yes.
तो उसको ऐड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, वो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा। सो इसमें से जहां जो ऐड करना चाहते हैं आप सपोज कीजिए मैंने ये कर दिया, फिर मैंने आगे कुछ और लिख दिया, फिर मैं यहाँ ऐड करना चाहता हूँ टेक्स्ट साइटेशन नंबर 3 पे लेना चाहता हूँ, ये नंबर 3 को सेट करूंगा यहाँ पे और इंसर्ट साइट, ये आ गया 3। अब मैंने क्या किया, 3 साइटेशन करे। आप चाहते हैं कि मुझे एपी स्टाइल में 3 के 3 स्टाइल अपनी रेफरेंस लिस्ट चाहिए, क्लियर? तो आपने क्या करना है, ये रहा साइटेशन सेटिंग, साइटेशन सेटिंग्स पे क्लिक कीजिए। अगर आप चेंज साइटेशन स्टाइल चाहते हैं, जो आपने 3 ये टेक्स्ट साइटेशन दिए हैं, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज देन यू कैन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर व्हाटएवर यू वांट। व्हेन कोर चाहते हैं, IEEE चाहते, कुछ भी चाहते हैं आप, अदरवाइज आप एपी चाहते हैं, तो ये रहा एपी, एएसए है। तो देयर इज अमेरिकन आपका चाहते हैं, ये चाहते हैं सर्च फॉर अनदर स्टाइल, अनदर भी होंगे आपके यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए एपीए। ये पी दिखा रहा है आपको, ऐसे कर दिखाएगा इसको, क्लियर? अपडेट आप अपडेट कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज सपोज करो यू वांट IEEE, you select IEEE and use updation or change citation language। आप लैंग्वेज चेंज करना चाहते हैं, इट इज अप टू यू। हियर इज द रेफरेंस पे आइए वापस। अगर आपको सभी को साइड करना है तो क्लिक ऑन इट एंड इंसर्ट बिब्लियोग्राफी, इंसर्ट कर दीजिए, ओके कर दीजिए। अब आ जाइए, दोबारा आ जाइए, इंसर्ट बिब्लियोग्राफी एंड कंटिन्यू। ये रही आपकी, आपने 3 साइड किए थे, 3 का रेफरेंस आ गए। आप चाहते हैं कि स्टाइल चेंज कर दो, यहाँ से कर सकते हो आप। यहाँ पे भी दिया हुआ, कुछ भी दिया हुआ है, शिकागो दिया, शिकागो कर सकते हैं आप। यहाँ सेलेक्ट कीजिए इंसर्ट बिब्लियोग्राफी इन शिकागो। वेट यू हैव टू डू इट फर्स्ट वन, यहीं से होगा, वहां से नहीं होगा ये। कट इट एंड देन हियर इंसर्ट बिब्लियोग्राफी एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट यू कैन चेंज द स्टाइल। शिकागो आ गई, यहाँ आ गया शिकागो आ गई, एक जगह शिकागो आ गया। हाँ, तो within fraction of seconds, mean 10 seconds, suppose you have a list and you have mentioned the same in your text, so whether it is 10,000, whether it is 15,000, you can easily manage and you can change the style within 30 seconds. So this is the beauty of that platform, clear? So this is the way how you will download the same and how you will use the Mendeley. And if you have any query, any question, you can ask me. So this is from my side.
Sir, one part is remaining, that is we, instead of using software like Mendeley or Zotero, we can directly set our reference style from Word only. So please briefly in 5 to 6 minutes you can highlight that if it is possible.
In Word, when you will manage, when you will try to manage through Word, that then you have to do it manually. Again, it is a time-consuming process. So okay, please don't go with the Word. If you want to add 500 citation, then how you will manage it? Through Word manually. Again, you will take it. Again, you will feel some problem, some trouble over there, some turmoil over there. So better is that just use the Mendeley. Mendeley is very user friendly. When you will play this platform, definitely you will be familiar with the one, and thereafter you can easily manage your document. So you have to play. You have to see some YouTube videos over there. So that is very user friendly. I have told you, I have given a live demo to you that how you will manage.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for this wonderful live session, hands-on session with the referencing style.
If you feel that in a first instance, you will be able to manage all the things onto the platform of this, that is not easy process. You have to play this. I have one expert with me. Let's see. Meet him. So I learned so many things from this gentleman. He is our scholar, Mr. Yogesh. He's an economics scholar. So so every day you will get some updation onto the platform the same. Oldest one I was very much familiar with the same, but when I downloaded yesterday, I got some new one. So I was also got confused. Then I took the help of Mr. Yogesh. So Yogesh is with me. So it's a matter of you can say that matter of practice. So when you will download the same, when you will download the same, I will mention my number over there. If you feel any, if you face any problem, then you can call me. I will tell you that how you will download the same. First of all, you have to create your MS Word ID, MS Office ID, and how it would be created? Your MS Office must be original one instead of the pirated. Very easy step, no issue. Thereafter, you have to use the Google. You have to mention Mendeley over there. Then you have to click over there, Mendeley desktop. You have to click, and then you have to put your that you have to keep mention your email ID and password over there, which you have created earlier, and thereafter you will get it. So
Yes.
you have to
Yes, sir,
make the
it is
practice.
easy to download and easy to use.
Very
When
good.
students will participate, will use, then they will become
Yes.
habitual and become easy.
You please. He wants to add something. You just please.
Hello, all of you. Myself, Yogesh. It's like initially you have
Sir,
to like.
voice is little bit low. Voice. Please come
Are you
near
able-
to the speaker.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, now audible.
Yes, but
Yeah,
your
yeah.
voice is audible.
See, initially we have to make account on basically Elsevier platform and Microsoft platform. Like if we are not using Microsoft pirated Microsoft Access, then like it is very easy. Initially we have to invest like 10 or 15 minutes while like setting it up. But when like if we are reviewing some article and we have 500 citations, we have to enter it manually in MS Word. But while using a Mendeley software or Zotero, basically Zotero works offline and Mendeley works online. But Mendeley has a very like user-friendly interface. Once we will get in like familiar with it in like 10 or 15 minutes. You just need to know how to add the library. Sir, I've told you the feature how to add papers or citations from online web. It is very like user friendly, and once you get like you add 2-3 citations and you know how to change the style of your bibliography or references, it will be very easy for you.
Thank you,
And then-
Yogesh sir. Thank you.
Thank you all of you.
So-
I'm really thankful to you that you have kept patience during the technical glitches on my part. So that is about the Mendeley and very user friendly. I request and advise to all the scholars and the participants, you please try to play with the Mendeley and how you will download the same. You can take the help of any expert one, and if you don't have any expert, then you can call me. You can take my number from Madam Susila and Madam Aruna. I will help you that how you will download the same. And again, I will tell you that how you will use the same. Very user friendly. Once you have to know that how you will download it, because it is very you can say very tedious process. You can very tricky process. Very easy one, no issue. But when you would be very familiar, then it would be very easy for you. Otherwise, that would be very critical. If you will feel that is very critical, but that is not critical. Once you see the same and once you will do again and again, definitely you will get it. And that would be very easiest. That would be very helpful instead of the MS Word.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you with this wonderful hands-on session with Mendeley, and hoping that participants would surely make a practice to make easy hands with Mendeley. And so this is all from this today's session. I would like to pay my heartful thankful to Narendra sir for again giving such an insightful session to all the audience and participants. And we learned a lot from all of your sessions. Thank you for taking this session and make us insightful about Mendeley. Thank you. This is all from our side.
मैडम अरुणा जी कैसे हैं आप?
सर बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप बताइए. नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार मैं बिल्कुल ठीक, आप सुनाओ. मुझे लगता है कि today is my last session in this program.
No sir, it's not last session, it will continue.
और क्या बता दो दिए?
नहीं, बट वंडरफुल सेशन सर. बहुत कुछ मतलब नया देखने को और सीखने को मिला है सर. और ये जो लाइव आप सिखाते हैं ना, इट इज वंडरफुल.
जी, thank you very much ma'am for nice feedback and you can say the nice best wishes from your part. And Sushila ma'am also, she is also very active and she stayed from starting to last one and control all the things. So thank you very much from my side on behalf of my library as well as my department, as well as my university, that you have given me the opportunity just to interact with the galaxy of intellectual. And I'm really thankful to my scholar, Yogesh Singh, that he helped me a lot. He's very gentle and very intellectual guy, and he has given me the training that how I will download the same and how I will control all the that updates, particularly onto the platform, the Mendeley. So thank you, Yogesh, to you also, and thanks to all participants.
Sir, I have sent you some screenshots. Actually, 5 years earlier, I was used to this Mendeley, used to aware with the Mendeley, and it get add on with the MS Word. But today, what is going on? I am having MS 365
MS
Word.
MS
So
365, yes.
MS, yes, 365. So it's okay, it is downloaded, but the add-on, the Mendeley symbol is not in the MS Word, just like yours.
Go to reference, ma'am. Yes, ये मैं यही कह रहा हूँ कि जब भी आप इसको डाउनलोड करेंगे, every time you will get updates, and every time you will get something changes. If you want to know about the Mendeley, you have to be very much stay, as well as you have to be very much cope up with the same. हर वक्त हर समय आपको जब भी आप ओपन करेंगे, you will get new one over there, something new over there. पहले ओल्ड वर्जन में वहां दिखता था, अब उसमें दिखाता है साइड में Mendeley साइट.
But it is not showing the symbol.
नहीं दिखा रहा मैम.
Mendeley.
Just wait, ma'am. Just wait.
Whatever I have hands-on session with you and downloaded again by uninstalling the previous one, and then it is downloaded, but the adds-on Mendeley sign is not in my.
On your words, ma'am. ये दिखाता है, मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको. Just wait.
So I will. Yes.
Go to reference, ma'am. Go to reference. New
yes,
page
yours is showing.
Okay. I'm sure. Just wait.
Sir, in my also it's showing.
Just wait. I'm showing you. Now share this my screen.
Yes, on 5 years earlier it was working with me, but now
wait.
the sign is not.
Madam, every time you will get new version. Now see here references. Suppose karo open file visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
That is open. New one, new file, blank document. Okay. Go to references. References दिख रहा है references. References पे जाइए, click कीजिए. You will get here. ये रहा Mendeley site. Site with Mendeley. ये रहा यहाँ पे. ये दिखा रहा है. दिख रहा है?
बिल्कुल दिख रहा है सर.
Yes. हो सकता है next time कुछ और दिखे इसमें.
Yes, might be because it was in earlier years when I was.
सुनिए, अगर आपका नहीं दिख रहा है तो आपको ये लॉगिन हुआ आपका यहाँ से मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको. Again share. यहाँ से share. ये ऑनलाइन का था, ये ऑनलाइन का दिखा था. वो नहीं Mendeley दिखा देता. ये रहा मैम. ये दिखाना. ये देखिए मैम. ये टूल्स दिख रहा है आपको? नहीं, अभी करना पड़ेगा. ये दिख रहा है मैम अभी? ये दिख रहा है टूल? ये दिख रहा है स्क्रीन आपको?
हाँ दिख रहा है. यस सर.
यस सर.
टूल्स है यहाँ पर. टूल्स लिख रहा है. टूल्स.
यस सर.
टूल्स पे क्लिक कीजिए. यहाँ पर कीजिए इंस्टॉल Mendeley साइट फॉर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड.
इट इज डन सर.
ये आपका कभी नहीं हुआ हो, ये देख लीजिएगा.
It is after done. It will show the first page which previously you have shown, but the mark of Mendeley it is not showing.
ये फिर ये यहाँ दिखाएगा मैडम आपको, जो मैंने आपको दिखाया है.
ऊपर दिखा रहा है सर. हाँ. ये
ऐसे दिखाएगा आपको. ये रहा. ये दिखाने लग जाएगा यहाँ पर. ये देख लीजिए रहा Mendeley साइट. ये ऐसे दिखाएगा. आप चाहते हैं यहाँ दिखाइए, यहाँ नहीं दिखाएगा. यहाँ दिखा रहा है इस वर्जन
में. वो साइड में.
हाँ मेन्यू बार के पास नहीं दिखा रहा मेरा.
हाँ वहाँ यहाँ दिखाएगा. हर टाइम आपको डिफरेंट मिलेगा मैम इसमें. ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही है इसकी. Every time you will get something new.
Okay, thank you sir.
Updation,
thank you.
There is updation, regular updation over there. So if you want to remain with the same, then you have to keep yourself updated.
Okay, thank you sir. Now I'm going to wind up this session, and we are highly grateful. It is my privilege that I'm hosting this session with you, and thank you once again for this session. So participants, hope that you have enjoyed a lot and learned a lot. So this is the time to depart, and we will meet tomorrow. Thank you Narendra sir for this wonderful session.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
And thank you,
Thank you.
Yogesh, also.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.